Okay, so the question this time, it's given two lines. We want to know what's the angle between the two lines. Uh, Specifically, I want to know what's the acute angle between those two lines. All right. So there's, you could spend some time trying to do this analytically by just applying those same rules as before, and it would definitely work. Like you could figure out this angle, which is not too bad, and you could figure out this angle, which is not too bad, based on those slopes up there. And then what you would do is you would draw this horizontal line that goes through where these things intersect. And the idea is that that angle is going to be the same as this angle right here, right? And this angle that's formed is the same as that angle. Then all you'd have to do is subtract your answers and you'd have it, all right? You'd have the angle between those two lines. Now, there's a nice little closed formula for this that you don't have to worry about whether the slopes are positive or negative. So I'm just going to use that, all right, just to make our lives a little simpler. So the relationship is tangent of theta is equal to the absolute value. And then for the numerator, you're going to subtract the two slopes, the slope of one minus the other. The order doesn't matter there. Over 1 plus the product of those two slopes. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw these two numbers, 3 and 2/3, we'll throw them into this formula and solve for the theta. Okay, so tangent of theta, it's going to be 3 minus 2/3. That'll be my top number. 3 minus 2/3. And then for the bottom, it's going to be 1 plus 3 times 2/3. There we go. And if you want to put the absolute value around it, you can. I just know at the end of the day, I'm going to make this positive. That's all those absolute value bars do. I'll bet you could just throw this whole thing into your calculator using the inverse tan function, but we'll simplify it. All right, 3 minus 2/3, 1 plus the 3 and the 3 are just going to cancel. So 3 times 2/3 is just 2. All right, so tangent of theta is equal to 0.77 repeating. And I want to do the inverse tangent of this. So inverse tangent of my last answer. There we go, 37.87 degrees. All right, and that is going to be the angle between those two lines. And hopefully it wasn't that bad. It's a lot easier to do there than it would be if you were to find all those angles by yourself and then subtract them. Okay.